we are together to improve our communication skills. As you know, I'm shooting this video as a purpose of improve our communication skills. Whatever I know, I don't care about this, and I am what I can learn, I only better focus on this. So improving English is not a difficult task because it is a gradual process. When you give the time to the good practicing communication, practicing speaking, then definitely you will be a good communicator. But is enough that if I just speaking that I will be a good communicator? No, that's not enough. You have to be a proper knowledge of grammar, vocabulary, and the many of things. Because are you good communicator? If I question you, are you good communicator in Hindi? Answer will be no. Because we are not the communication is not about to learn English. It is about how can we express our things, how can we express ourselves to others. So that's his communication. So let's start the session. The challenge, this is the day 5 of communication challenge of storytelling. The story is the woman safety. Are you think the women are safe in India? Many of us, yes. In my locality or in this era, there is safe. The woman safety is good, but there is many rape cases which has been done and which are going to done, but there is no strict regulations, rules and regulations to punish them. They get benefit of them. There is a recent case where a BJP leader has raped a girl. How it can be possible? When a leader can do such type of arrogant things, then what will do the elements? Because it's not about our country, it's all about our society. But there is no strict regulations to the woman safety. Women are not safe. Every parents call the girls, do not go outside at night. Why they are just saying? They're not saying that they are not allowed to go to outside. They have fear. If she goes to outside, many of accident can be done. Like there is a bunch of men or bunch of boys who can rape him, who can torture him. So these are the causes. So this is good. You will say no. Then why not? We are just taking the actions just because of it's not happens with me. It's not happens with myself. It's not happen with my family. So I am just chill. I will not raise actions against the woman rape. What is it? Woman is not safe. Woman is recognized as the mother, sister. But what such type of things are happening? just because of lack of sex education, just because of the leaders, just because of the bad administration. Because women have right to stay outside, to get equal. That's not with our boys, because boys can go outside everywhere, there is no problem. But why with girls? Why with women? Because they are women, they have not stronger. That's not true. But due to lack of administration actions, if a rapist are found, they just punish them, they will get hanged. No, that will not do that. They will give me a 4-year punishment in jail. That's it. Good. No. The rapist should be encountered instantly, because when there will be no rapist, no, when there is a question or twist. Many of you say this, many of cases are arises like that, a wife kill their husbands just because of their boyfriend. It is good. Women are also not good. No, there is a cases or exception due to their parental pressures, they get married. So I request to all parents who are listening, that don't pressurize your child, because it will not good for everyone, every society. These are the good bad examples that many of parents pressurize them to just because of wealth. That is good. No, thank you. I am just wrap up this suit. Thank you. See you again. Take care.